those hands. Come on. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and everything within me bless his holy name. Hey, your love is incredible.
Your love is incredible. Your mercy brand new.
Your grace
immeasurable.
Hello guys, welcome to another interesting edition with Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for being a loyal subscriber. Thanks for your viewing. If this is your first time of watching our videos on YouTube, thank you so very much for coming on board. We appreciate you. Please kindly click on the subscription button and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified each time we drop a new video. Thank you very much and God bless you. Okay, so on this edition I want to show us how to make a turban with the front loop. All right, did you hear me say a turban with a front loop? Yes, a turban with a front loop. Okay, let's all start. What do you need to get the job done? Of course, you need your already made turban. Okay, your already made turban. Okay, you need a fabric. You can use any kind of fabric, but I'm using taffeta. All right, you can use any kind of fabric, but I'm using taffeta. Okay, you need, most importantly, you need your crinoline. Okay, this is a crinoline, the medium size of crinoline. Okay, this okay, when we get it I'll explain what the crinoline will do for you. You need your tape roll. I have my roses, okay, and I also have a few stones, as the case may be. I have my pair of scissors. I have my needle and thread, and I also have my tape roll. Okay, I haven't said all of those. Let's go straight to the business of the day. You get a piece of fabric. Now I'm teaching you how to make the loop because I want to believe that you already know how to make your turban. But if peradventure you don't know how to make the turban, do not worry, we'll just drop the link to how to make a turban base on the comment section below. Okay, so I said you get your piece of fabric. Now, like I said earlier, we are learning how to make the loop or the multiple bowl, as the case may be. So I have here a piece of fabric measuring 5 inches. Okay, now the width is 5 inches. I'm making a 5 loop, so it means you need a very lengthy fabric. The length of the fabric you need should be very long. Okay, all right, at this point I don't know what measurements I'm going to be needing for the length, but you see me making the loop, and then when we get to where exactly we want, we'll end. Okay, so I haven't measured out your 5 width of fabric. You fold it into 2 like this. Take it to your sewing machine and run a straight stitch straight down to the end of the fabric. Peradventure your fabric is not long enough, you can cut this in multiple places and then add them so it gives you a lengthy fabric. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So when you finish sewing, run a straight stitch. This is what you are going to have. You turn it inside out. As you can see, I've already turned mine inside out, and then you give it a very good pressing, your ironing, and make sure that the seam part is on the middle. Okay, so this is what you are going to have. All right, so you grab your crinoline and start tucking it into your fabric, right, like this. You just tuck it in like this. Stuck it in like this. Okay, so we are done stocking our crinoline into our fabric, and this is what you get when you're done stocking. The essence of the crinoline is to give it this puffy look. As you can see, to enable it stand properly, okay, and not looking dead or collapsed or too flappy. All right, so let me show you how to make the loop. I'm sorry. You bring your fabric, your crinoline, this way. Like I said, we're making 5 layers, okay? 5 layers. So I fold like this and bring it this way. I fold like this, making sure that this side and this side are the same measurements, okay? You can choose to tack the middle as you continue. That is if you can't hold it firmly, but I can because this is what I do. Okay, so you bring the second one this way, making sure that the first one is a bit longer than the second one. Like I said, we're making 5. You can choose to make 2 or choose to make 3. It's totally your choice, depends on what you want. Okay, I may make 4 or 5 that way, and then I bring it this way again, right? I take it up again, I bring it this way, making sure that the preceding one is longer than the current one you're doing at. And okay, you see, this only gave us 3. All right, so I'll just cut this part off because this wouldn't do anything for me right now. I'll cut it off and then tack what I have already before continuing. I have another one here to continue with. Okay, so I'll just tack it. To secure it. Please, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly do that right now, okay? There are lots and lots and lots of things for you to learn on this channel, okay? So having tacked, I'll bring the other one to continue it, right? I'll just place it here and continue. I can continue anywhere. Place it, continue. Okay, I said we'll be doing 5, and then the last one now. Right, and here we are. You see, this is the loop. This is it, and this is the other part. Okay, so at this junction I have more than enough, so I still have some left. I'll just cut this off, all right, and continue my tacking, right, to secure it firmly. So having secured your loop on the middle, right, you get a little piece of fabric, you just fold it. You can choose to sew it or just do what I'm doing. Just fold it, bring it together, and then use it to cover the middle. This way, like this, and then you tack it behind secure it, or you use your hot glue to secure it. Alright, see, I've covered the middle just to make your work look neat. Okay, so at this point, bring the glue gun. You get your roses. It depends on, you can choose to leave it like this, okay, but I want to include this rose and place it on the middle just to add more beauty to it. Just place it that way, okay. So I'll just apply my glue gun to the back of my roses. Okay, and then place it on the middle this way like this, okay. All right, you see it's looking very beautiful, very beautiful. So you get your turban and tack it to your turban. Tack it to it, and then your turban with front loop, it's ready. For your pearls, I'm going to be gluing the pear. It's just to beautify it, nothing more, okay. It's just to add more beauty to it. However I choose to, wherever I choose to, I will glue the stones, okay. It's just to beautify it the more. All right, and your project is ready. Okay, so if you know this class or this tutorial has been of any help to you, kindly give a thumbs up, like, comment, share, okay, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you very much, and bye for now.
Clap those hands, come on.